Hello everyone, welcome to Medical Minion. Today in this video we'll discuss about the questions which I have already posted on Instagram regarding the first two videos of physiology, physiology introduction and physiology intracellular and extracellular fluid. If you haven't checked it out, the link is in description. Go check out the videos as well as question posted on Instagram. Now we'll just recall what I taught you in the last two videos. I've said you about the body has about 60% of water solution in it, and this 60% of solution is further divided into intracellular fluid ICF and extracellular fluid, that is ECF. Now what is the concept behind those IG questions? That the water solution or the percentage of water depends on age and gender, meaning it fluctuates with age and gender. For understanding this concept, let's take two questions. The first question is, average adult male with weight of 70 kg, what would be water content or percentage of water with respect to body weight? And the second question would be, average adult female with same weight, what would be the water content of her? So in this question, most of you will choose 60 as answer, but it would be wrong. In the first case, it would be 60, and in the second question, it would be 55. But why? As you know, the water content or the percentage of water solution depends upon age and gender. In above question, the age was pretty same as it was average adults. Now, the difference was between the gender. The difference between male and female is result of fat distribution, because adipose tissue is mostly free of water and female have high body fat percentage and lower skeletal muscle. That's the reason behind female have less water content compared to males. Now what about infants? In early gestation, 90% of fetal body weight contains water. The premature infants have about 75 to 80% of water content, and a newborn baby has 70% water content, and it decreases, and in 1 year child it's about 60, and this remains 60 in male and 55 in female in teenagers and mature adults. The water content in the body is further classified into intracellular fluid and extracellular fluid. Intracellular is 2/3 of total body water and extracellular is 1/3 of total body water. And the intracellular and extracellular fluid ratio also depend on age. Intracellular fluid meaning inside the cell, meaning the cytoplasm, which is called as cytol. And the extracellular fluid includes fluid that are outside the cell, mainly blood plasma, interstitial fluid or tissue fluid, and transcellular fluid include cerebrospinal fluid, synovial fluid, aqueous humor, serous fluid, and clot fluid, etc. The interstitial fluid and blood plasma are the major component of extracellular fluid. Because of its composition, it serves as a delivery medium for nutrient and waste product, and it is also a crucial site for various homeostatic mechanism, which we will learn in the video 4 of physiology. Now let's see the derivation in the intracellular and extracellular ratio based on age. The embryo or fetus has high amount of extracellular fluid compared to intracellular, and the male have high rate of intracellular fluid because of large amount of muscles. And this was all about the concept behind the question posted on Instagram. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram @medicalminion. And thank you for watching.